Welcome to Saal Auto, where raw power meets untamed design and future tech insanity. Today, you're not just looking at a concept car, you're staring down the future of Lamborghini. Introducing the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Aventador concept, a hypercar reborn from fire, forged in speed and dripping in next-gen madness. Stick around, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's a mechanical beast unleashed from tomorrow. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this thing dominates your senses. The front, absolutely ruthless. The grille is gone, replaced by an angular air channel system that breathes aggression. Twin-blade LED dials carve into the body like claws, wrapping around microlaser headlights that ignite the darkness like twin plasma beams. The hood vents, fully active, opening with a hiss as the car wakes up, breathing in air and adrenaline like a living predator. And the carbon fiber splitter, it glows not for show, but to warn everything else on the road that this monster is alive. Swing to the side and it's not just a profile, it's an attack stance. Every line is sharp, carved with purpose and coiled with energy. The doors, scissor style of course, but now powered by proximity detection. Step close and they rise like wings, revealing the cockpit within. The surfaces are liquid metal, no seams, no breaks, just aggression sculpted in motion. The side skirts glow with pulsing orange light, like lava beneath the surface, and 23-inch carbon-forged wheels spin with turbine-inspired fury, each center cap bearing a glowing Lambo bull that never stops facing forward. The roofline razor-thin, jet black, tapered like a missile, and every inch screams speed. Now the rear, prepare yourself, this is where the apocalypse begins. A full-width OLED tail light animates in a V-pattern, shifting and pulsing with the car's heartbeat. When it starts up, the rear lights flash in sequence like a countdown to detonation. The rear fascia is cut deep with multi-level fins, active aero, and a center-mounted vertical exhaust that shoots blue flame like it's tearing through the atmosphere. The diffuser. Fighter jet-grade carbon, optimized to grip the earth as this monster takes flight. And yes, the bull glows, right at the center, like a branding iron from the future. Step inside and now you're not in a car, you're in a warship. The cockpit is angular, immersive, and digitalized to the max. A 360-degree holographic HUD wraps around the driver with gauges that warp, flex, and breathe. No buttons, no dials, just voice, gesture, and emotion. The wheel, a hexagonal yoke wrapped in forged carbon and alcantara, lit from within with ambient fire-orange veins. The seats are suspended pods, anti-gravity buckets trimmed in laser-etched alcantara and lava thread stitching. They mold to your body on startup, adjusting posture and temperature like a high-tech exosuit. The lighting pulses to your heartbeat, your speed, your adrenaline. The center console, a floating crystal core that controls every system with touch, pinch, or pure instinct. Look up and the roof isn't just glass, it's a reactive sky. Electrochromic with shifting patterns, storm mode, city lights, or full galaxy. You can even project your name across the ceiling in custom starlight. The speakers, they're in the seats. The silence, engineered. The sound, pure rage. From above, the car looks like a stealth fighter from another world. The roof glows around the edge like a halo, and thin LED tracer lines wrap the whole silhouette. Solar microtiles feed the internal systems in real time. It's as if the car is breathing, literally alive, pulsing with energy, ready to launch. Now picture all this under cinematic lighting. Gloss black floors, shadows that dance along its edges, chrome slicing the darkness, every curve a story, every detail obsession. This isn't just a car reveal, it's an event, a visual punch in the face. And believe it or not, this isn't even the final version. This is just a whisper of what Lamborghini has planned. So why does this car matter? Because it's not about 0-60, it's about feeling, identity. It's about creating a machine that doesn't just drive, it dominates, it owns the moment. It owns you. This Aventador isn't a replacement, it's a resurrection, a reinvention, a roar from the future that shakes the past. And that's why this 2026 Lamborghini Aventador concept is more than a hypercar. It's a legacy reborn, a vision of velocity, a future that screams. If you're still watching, then you felt it, that surge, that pulse, that voice inside that said, this is different. That's the feeling we live for at Saal Auto. Smash that like if your heart's racing, subscribe if you crave more machines that bend reality, and drop a name for this beast in the comments, something worthy of its fire. Because this isn't the end, this is ignition.